All right, the first thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna take our chicken wings out of the package and lay them on some paper towels. And then we are gonna take some more paper towels and we're gonna pat them dry. Getting the wings as dry as possible is gonna be key to getting them crispy in the air fryer. If there's any kind of moisture left on the wings, they're not really gonna crisp up. So you really need to pat them dry. Give them a flip and we'll dry the other side. Once our wings are dry, we're gonna add them to a large mixing bowl. Then we're gonna take and add a little bit of oil, about 1 tablespoon, and our dry spices. We got some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some smoked paprika. You can add as much or as little as you like. I'm doing about a tablespoon of each. And we're gonna mix. You can use your hands or you can use a spoon to mix them. I like to use my hands because it lets you really get in there and get everything nice and coated evenly. I also forgot a little salt and pepper too. So now our wings are nice and seasoned. So now we're gonna preheat our air fryer and we're gonna get going on our buffalo sauce. We're gonna preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees. For our buffalo sauce, we're gonna heat a small saucepan over medium-low heat, and then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of butter. We're gonna stir the butter around and wait for it to melt completely. Once the butter's melted, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of hot sauce. I'm using Frank's Red Hot. I'm also gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon. Go ahead and whisk it until well combined. There we go, our buffalo sauce is ready. You can go ahead and take it off the heat and set the sauce to the side, and let's get our wings into the air fryer. Once our air fryer is preheated, we're gonna place our wings into the basket, skin side up. When placing them in the basket, you wanna make sure that they are not touching. You wanna leave a little bit of space between each wing so the air can circulate. This will help get the wings extra crispy as well. Place the wings into the air fryer. We're gonna cook our wings for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. After the 10 minutes, we're gonna take the wings out and we're gonna flip them over. We're gonna put them back into the air fryer and cook them for 6 more minutes at 400 degrees. All right, now we're gonna take our wings out and we're gonna place them into a large mixing bowl. Then we're going to take our buffalo sauce that we made earlier and we're going to pour over the top. Now, give the wings a nice toss in the buffalo sauce. Once they're tossed, we're going to add the wings back to the air fryer basket, and we're going to cook them for another 6 minutes. This last cook is going to allow the sauce to kind of caramelize onto the wings. Save the sauce because we're going to give the wings one final toss in it before we plate and eat. Again, at 400 degrees, we're going to cook them for 4 more minutes. All right, wings look amazing. So we're going to take them out of the basket, back into the sauce for one last toss. Nice little rhyme there. And then it is time to plate and eat.